That's not going to work. There we go. Bah! It's Miss Press. Hello, you guys. I'm here with my handy dandy whiteboard and my, there it is, and my calculator, to show you guys the strategy that we're working on for factoring today. Oh my gosh. Okay. First of all, I want to remind you guys, I hope you played categories today. I want to remind you that there was one time when we were playing categories and it was the letter C. And Alan said, un animal que vive en la mar, or something like that, with the letter C. And Marcos said cebollo, which is why you had a picture of an onion fish. Anyway, we are going to try our strategy for finding the GCF, which means the greatest common factor. Now, in yesterday's exit ticket, I want to point out some of you guys found a common factor, which is 18, but 18 is not bigger than 36. 36 was the greatest, the biggest common factor. Okay, so I'm going to try this with two kind of big numbers, so you're going to have to bear with me. Here we go. My numbers are going to be 50, big number, and 60. And the reason I'm putting a plus sign is because we're taking little steps to get to the next strategy we're going to be doing. So what I want to do is I want to find the factors of 50. And here's a new step I'm going to take. I'm going to go down the side and I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I don't skip anything, because that's a problem some people have been having, is skipping things. Okay, now I have my calculator. So I'm going to go one at a time and I'm going to see if 50 is divisible by these things. Let's see, 50 divided by 1. Obviously, we know that's going to be 50. So 1 times 50. 50 divided by 2 is 25. 50 divided by 3 does not work. Boom. Can't do that one. Just cross it off. 50 divided by 4 does not work. 50 divided by 5 is 10. 50 divided by 6 does not work. 50 divided by 7 doesn't work. 50 divided by 8 doesn't work. 50 divided by 9 does not work. And oh, look, I already had 10. So I'm done. These are all my factors. I've got 1 times 50, 2 times 25, and 5 times 10. Those are all the factors of 50 right there. Now I'm going to try the same thing with 60. Notice how I gave myself a little bit of space up here. That's really important. Okay, I'm going to try the same thing with 60, and I'm going to write these out again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here's a secret. Don't tell anybody I told you this. Okay, this is a really important secret. Okay. If your number is smaller than 100, then your factors never need to go past 10. Okay, it's a secret. Okay, so I'm going to start dividing. 60 divided by 1, I know that one's going to be 60. 60 divided by 2, I know that's going to be 30. Oh, look, they both have a 2. Am I done? No! There's going to be bigger numbers, okay? I'm telling you. All right, so now 60 divided by 3 is 20. 60 divided by 4 is 15. 60 divided by 5 is 12. 60 divided by 6 is 10. 60 divided by 7 does not work. 60 divided by 8 doesn't work. 60 divided by 9 does not work. And I already did 10, so I'm done. Okay, I'm looking for the biggest factor. Now, like I said before, they both share a 2, but that's not the greatest common factor. I want the largest number they both share. And the largest number that they both share is a 10. Bing, 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 bing. Our 10 is our greatest common factor. So now what I need to do is take both of these and I'm going to write them up at the top. 5 times 10 plus 6 times 10, and that's going to be my final answer. Remember, we're going to list 1 through 10, and unless your number is bigger than 100, unless your number is bigger than 100, you're never going to need more than 10.